Some of the Packers' furriest fans are gearing up for the big game. Neil Anderson joins us from Suamico to show us how the new zoo is going green and gold this week.
Good morning, guys. Hey, we've got our own Super Bowl going out here at the new zoo. You can check this out. You know, the keeper's been having a blast out here with all the different exhibits. And one of the things that we thought with Super Bowl week would be to have our own Super Bowl. And you can check this out. Check the snow monkeys out. They're coming out now. We've got 11 snow monkeys. That's what you need to field the team. And we got the 12th man, Manny. He's going to stay inside, but they're checking out everything. But take a look at their exhibit and what the zookeepers have done. In this case, Jess, this is her exhibit. She's got it all decorated. Each snow monkey will have a football that they can play with. And in addition to that, you can see if you look around the whole exhibit, there's a lot of different jerseys and jerseys for all the Packer players. It'll be fun to kind of see which snow monkeys pick out which jerseys. But it's interesting is all the adults, they're still kind of wondering what's going on with the streamers, the green and gold streamers. But they're going to come out and start investigating. Of course, the first one that's investigating is the little one, Akira. But if you come out to the zoo today, you get an opportunity to see them having a good time in here. Playing football, and once they do find their footballs, they're going to have a blast, probably throwing them around and doing whatever they need to do. But one of the things we got coming up today, which you're going to find out is really going to be a lot of fun for us, the keepers, the Lions, is check this out. We've got Big Ben here, Roethlisberger, in effigy, and this guy is going to go out into the lion exhibit. And we're going to let the lions out. Now, you just got to think of this, is with the lions, we got our big male lion, you know, that long flowing mane, you know, kind of like number 52, Clay Matthews. We're going to let our big male come out, and he's going to go ahead and take down Big Ben. You get a chance to see this on TV. But check out here, just as before we leave, you can see you're all getting out. They're all starting to investigate and see what their Super Bowl is going to be like today. With that, back to you guys.